Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park level, e-brake on, chock rear wheels. Loosen the front lug nuts about 1/2 turn so the wheel won't spin when raised. Lift the Rogue at the factory jacking point and immediately set rated jack stands under the pinch welds to secure the car. Once done, remove the wheel and spray penetrating oil on control arm bolts to let it soak. This saves time and prevents rounded fasteners when you reach the suspension components. You now support the lower control arm with a small jack to hold suspension height. This prevents sudden drops. Remove the ball joint nut, then separate the joint using a pickle fork or dedicated separator so you don't damage the boot. Next, remove the control arm mounting bolts at the frame and subframe. Keep track of bolt orientation and any washers. If bolts are stuck, use heat and penetrating oil. Make sure alignment per load stays close to original to ease reinstallation. You install the new control arm by positioning it and starting bolts by hand to maintain alignment. Tighten fasteners in stages and torque to Nissan OEM specs. This prevents binding and ensures proper bush life. Reconnect the ball joint and torque its nut, reinstall the wheel, and lower the car slowly. Once on the ground, torque lug nuts to spec. Finally, test drive at low speed, listen for clunks, and get a proper alignment. If clunks persist, recheck torque and ball.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.